too. I was doing my nigga too, so it's like,
That's right. Got spooky down there in the big room. And hit that little ditch and went crazy. Shit's going on there.
Baby, I'm buried.
Ooh. We gotta start over today. Alright, come over here now. What ugly ass run.
I got one. Nigga, I seen that last you. You heard it pop and you left it there. Yeah, because I was scared. I didn't know if that shit was gonna pop again. You know? All that shit came up. All of it. My mother, they waxed it.
No!
If you want to see me a duck, I hope that duck costs like $7,000.
We been that too.
Okay, Willie Bar came up. This is the
One color, is it 10 colors? Gray. I don't have one. Nah, I don't want to win. That thing right there charts the speed.
yeah.
Speed, time from here to there.
Yeah.
They got that in
Look at that mount right there, 3D printed. Put it on the DR10. Keep that motor cool. That's nice. I like that setup though.
No, it's not bad like that.
See? Yo, I'm taking that rug right there with me to CT, baby. Yo, listen. Johnny out here testing the 2-1 car. Oh shit. Nice fucking drive, man. Yeah, me nervous. You red lighted?
Nah, I fucking think I red lighted, but I passed my beat.
Are you on the outside of it?
Yeah.
Yep. I was about to say that was a tight ass run to get between that pole and that beam. No, Johnny. Won't start going out like that if you get through that beam. Cause I just flipped over that shit. My shit was in the air, bro. My car. Ain't nothing wrong with it, but it was in the air. You red lighter.
I did.
No, he did a right lane.
Like really? touched the thing though. Nope, it didn't.
Yo, Johnny.
Then you went clear over.
Yo, what's up? Yo, check that car, bro. Check your shit. Make sure she good. She good. I'm trying to tell you. Definitely use more gear on. 2-0. Johnny said it's for you, Charlie. he in the back wheel. Yo, Johnny, what's going on today?
You got off real early.
Yeah, it was. It was.
Good driving, though, yeah.
Join the club, Johnny. Join the club.
Stayed in it though.
We got Tony out. Got Brandon. Got Russell. John. And Johnny out. Tester. Last minute testing before this weekend's event. Nice save! Nice save, bro! Nice save! Oh! You good, Johnny.
I'm just gonna take my servo and hook it and hope that it just goes straight. This late notice. I got scissors.
Hey, check my boy Tony out in the car with it. He eating his shit. He ain't even get out. He too fast. He said, don't worry about me. Nani over here working.
This is yours too?
Yeah. 8 scale, trying to bring that out for.
What's that run? 119?
Right now, 2-0, but it'll get there.
I have my battery. I have mine. My phone was in the back.
Gonna hit harder now. See that?
I probably want cheaper than with the motor and everything. I want it on the box. I gotta find.
Hit high RPM one time on the run. And that's big ready.
You know, kind of probably a better platform.
What happened? Spinning?
Let's see what he does. His last damn.
Sound like you died.
Hard competition though. That's quick.
I red letter and the battery's done.
Yeah. 2.5 go up to 40. Oh shit! Nobody said it. You see my shit pop a wheelie off the line just now?
It went boom, boom, boom. And jump.
What? It like cogging?
I don't know if it was a car.
My shit popped a wheelie off the line just now. That's crazy. I'm dying. I ain't fucking up no more.
crooked. Never gonna let you
From
live it
flipping
down
my
now.
shit. I just fixed my shit.
Huh?
Never gonna let you live that down. I'll beat you.
Who's that, Jose?
You can beat me all you want now. That's my motor blow. Wait, now it's good. Now he go down.
You really blowing this man's motor? Man, look, I'm deal so now. I'm like, if I could get, cause sale más rápido en el.
I still gotta adjust mine. I gotta go higher at the end.
Had to,
So now
had to
I'm
let
losing.
off.
I think I'm losing.
Oh shit, it took it. It took it. It didn't spin.
Yeah. There you go. There you go.
That was a hell of a pass.
You seen it jump?
Someone away. Once I get back out. That's a little warm house right here. I don't even know what this thing's gonna do. I haven't even touched it. All I did was paint the wheels.
He said, yeah.
Me some paint.
He said, yeah, I'm fast now. Let me paint some shit.
Those reactions, they fun.
Nah, that tire heated up good, bro. Your shit hot right now. Trust me, it's sticking on the ground. Yeah.
Make a pass and bring it back to the line.
That shit gonna hit. Oh, it's the left side. Oh, all right. Yeah, that thing hot. It's hooking. Put your foot in the other beam and break it. Nah, never. Yo, let off.
Oh, that hurt right there, boy.
Your ad is ad.
Still looks good though.
Why y'all both let off?
Huh?
Yeah, look at it. Just going. I gotta do something to the front.
Sound like it gets to the boost, but then it just sound
Go
like.
tomorrow to Scott, be like, hey, let me get me.
Yo.
Gear, yeah.
Hey, look at. Yo, this the driver, that's the tuner. He's tuning the car. He's the tuner.
It's easy now.
Oh, he got Tika. He don't got hobby wing. That boost kicking in. It's taking off
It is,
nice.
but then at the top, I'm telling you, I don't got.
What they call it, oh my God.
Wow, Russ. That was a hell of a run. Break, come back through the other beam and break it. So it'll flash you. Because if nobody break the beam. Oh, he red lighted, so it don't matter.
did?
No, he did. He did.
Yeah, I busted my battery real quick. Like, yo, here, my bad. You got the same. Alright, so now mine is dead. Oh, I made adapters.
Nice, bro.
That one I felt like so fast.
Well, we got some rival here. Look at my man. He want the back tire.
Huh? Ah, fuck. I was looking at Jersey.
He tried. I tell you, he had his shit at the back tire.
He's walking back with his car like this. He's in the tires again, like just.
God, bro, that shit was hitting. I ain't going. Got the pit crew over there working real hard right now. Too high. I just told him. Yeah, I could turn it down and come out better. I was fucking around. I had my shit way up. You ready over there? Ready for that launch? Huh? Watch that launch now. Watch that launch now.
On rails.
See that thing come up, hit the wheelie bar, come back down, woo, start sailing.
Your car is so stiff. So stiff. Like, I noticed when you cut the wheel or something, it just spins.
Spins,
like,
yeah.
It doesn't hook. Like,
No body roll over there,
that's
none.
what I'm saying, yeah. It's stiff.
You know what? None of that body roll. That shit fuck you up.
Yep.
Oh, that was an ugly ass pass too. That's a too far. Let me get this left lane one time for the grind. That window, that wind playing. Yeah, them thing hooking. Hooking and booking, baby. Slow down. Don't hit that. Woo. Don't hit that. The whole thing hooking and booking. I got a lot of reactions, man.
Then after, I'll bring that 90 back out.
Yeah, Russ. Man.
Got me.
Russ fucking around over there. I see you, Russ.
Should have lined it up.
No, Johnny, what you do? Yo, yo. Wow, that was a nice pass.
Alright, so when you get off I'm just gonna run myself, right?
Crash this beam on this side so you can see what you ran.
Yeah, on your side. Your side, John.
Oh, it already gave it to you. Don't worry about it. It gave it to you already.
I don't know, I said I red lighted, but I think I just set it up too far.
Yeah. Yep. And then hit.
This one?
Yep.
Did I go through my beam or his beam? I don't even know.
You went through. You went through.
That bright body's gonna help at night, that's for sure. Here we go.
Ah, no. Oh, ya, no la vi hasta ahora, si no la apunta ni. Salió adelante. Salió.
That was a good race. You killed that.
He
You
beat
both
me. I
killed
let
that.
off. I ain't even cross the beam.
¿Quién ganó?
I stopped.
Can you see
Just-
your reaction time?
Who mine? Yeah.
That was fast. It seemed like you were on the gas
came
before
on,
it even
that
turned
came
blue.
on at the top.
But with the speed.
Before it even turned blue, it seemed like you were both on the gas.
That's crazy because it looks fast, but that's 2.7.
I thought it would have been like 2-3.
That's my reaction right there.
Quick, man.
That shit
Oh,
was
it? 05.
You get one more run in
Yeah, he
it.
went 10 already. He went 10.90. Pull him down pull him down the corner. Oh, you got a cartwheel. I was on your wheels. You're not gonna go get it.
Your tires are cold.
You was spinning? It didn't sound like. Y'all both heated them tires up good. That was straight fight. $50 and bought an LCG kit. I bet you eating now.
Those are two.